What's the deal, people? It's Mr. Bouquet with Bouquet of Baton Rouge Lawn Care and Landscaping. We out here this morning, again, taking advantage of air and opportunity. This is one of my first commercial properties, and I just want to talk to you guys real quick about what do we do with our commercial properties as far as pricing. And, you know, is it just standard price for any commercial property you cut? No, there's a lot more detail when you're in a commercial property versus a normal yard, anybody else's property. So there's some key details that you want to look for to make sure you don't cost yourself some time and energy, and of course, the money or profit or revenue in your business. So I know we get excited when we get our first little commercial property. A lot of times you want to skip steps and just hurry up and tell them, hey, this is going to be the price. But if you don't realize it, with a commercial property, you're going to have to charge a little bit more because it's extra work to be done. And one of the key areas that a lot of people miss when they first start cutting lawn is this right here. Like this. Or this. Yeah, even this. And a whole lot of this. So the key with commercial properties is going to be making sure that you inspect the property before you actually decide to go ahead and give the customer a price as far as how much you're going to charge. Again, it all depends on the amount of trash that's in the area. You're definitely going to find that in commercial properties, no doubt about it. So you do want to factor that in when you're quoting the customer to make sure you're not going to go ahead and put yourself in a bad situation, space and place when you're out there working in the property. If you see trees, you can guarantee that there's going to be trash. It's just one of those things, okay? People tend to huddle on the trees and throw trash on the trees. Commercial properties without a lot of trees or bushes on them are usually okay as far as the trash is concerned. So again, keep that in mind, keep that in perspective when you're out there pricing your lawn care quotes for commercial properties. It's the biggest thing that'll cause you to miss out on, being successful. So again, I hope that helps you out. If you guys have any ideas of, how you handle commercial properties and price them, please comment and make sure you like and subscribe so we can support the channel and get you guys some more information about the things that are going to level up your lawn care business. Let's go.